मैं इस समय ब्रिटेन के कुछ नौजवानों के साथ बैठा हुआ हूं और बहुत ही साइंटिफिक तरीका नहीं है ये, लेकिन देखते हैं कि भारत के बारे में इनकी कितनी समझ है। हाय, डू यू रिकॉग्नाइज दिस मैन?
Is that a football player?
How about this?
He's evidently a football player, but I couldn't put a name to him now.
Okay, and how about this?
Thought he looked like a Michelin star chef.
I think he looks like a football manager over in India.
Okay, what about this?
This guy's obviously a footballer.
And what about this guy?
He looks like a member of Parliament or something over in India.
Important man, yeah. He looks like an important
Looks like an important man.
Just to let you know, this is the biggest Bollywood star in India. This guy is a top cricket player. He is the captain of the test team right now. And this is the Prime Minister of India. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि भारत के बारे में, जैसा कि ब्रिटिश काउंसिल की रिपोर्ट में कहा गया है, कि बहुत कम जानकारी है यहाँ के युवाओं में। Do you ever think about the history of 200 years with India?
Don't know much about the history of India myself now.
I wouldn't say that comes to mind now.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to come up with an honest answer. Is no.
Do you guys remember that Britain ruled over India for 200 years?
Oh yeah, I knew that. Yeah.